Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Aulia, NPM 2441123 from Management 24A. Here I would like explain about consumer protection. The stakes why consumer protection matters today. Rising vulnerability. Household debt in US has soared to an unprecedented 17,8 triliun, increasing financial vulnerability for millions of families. This substantial debt burden makes effective consumer protection more critical than ever. Foundational rights. Robust consumer rights are the bedrock of a fair and functional economy. They underpin economic fairness, personal privacy, and public trust in the marketplace, ensuring a level playing field for all. A, po- a pivotal year. The year 2025 marks a pivotal moment, characterized by the introduction of significant new laws, shift in enforcement strategies, and a surge in the state-level activism dedicated to safeguarding consumer interests. Federal priorities. The National Consumer Center 2025 agenda. 1. Reduce car repossession. Implement measures allowing consumers to make catch-up payment, preventing premature car repossession, and protecting essential transportation for families. Second, ban predatory financing. Provide financing practice that disproportionately benefit lenders when buyers default, ensuring fair and transparent lending terms. Third, define clearing pricing. Uphold stringent rules for clear pricing and mandatory cooling off period for add-on product, protecting consumer from hidden fees and impulsive purchase. 4. Protect from unsafe vehicle. Safeguard consumer from the sale unsafe vehicle that have unperformed recalls, mandating that all safety issues are addressed before sale. 5. Promote affordable car ownership. Advocate for programs that make car ownership safe and affordable, including initiatives supporting the adoption of electric vehicles to benefit both consumers and the environment. Credit reporting reforms and challenges. The current credit reporting system is frequently plagued by errors and contributes to racial disparities, creating significant barriers for many consumers. Addressing the systemic issue is a cornerstone of consumer protection efforts in 2025, when the GVBA's October 2025 interpretive rule is set to asset federal preemption over crediting reporting laws, potentially affecting existing state-level medical debt protection. Second, there's growing call for a change equity in credit reports. Faster and more transparent is dispute resolution process, and strict limits on how credit history can be used in employment and housing decisions. Third, a significant proposal advocates for establishment of a public credit registry designed with a core focus on equity and responding directly to consumer needs, aiming to create a fairer credit ecosystem. Banking and payment, keeping money safe and accessible when crackdown on abusive fees. Intensive efforts to combat abusive bank fees, including exorbitant overdraft charges and hidden tip fees associated with payment application, ensuring consumers are not unfairly penalized. Second, deposit insurance for wallets. New regulation will mandate deposit insurance for mobile wallets and all consumer funds held within fintech platform, providing an essential layer of security for digital assets. Third, fraud and error protection enhances protection against fraud and system error across traditional banking and emerging fintech service, bolst- bolstering consumer confidence in digital financial transactions. For state-level environments, states like New York and Michigan are significantly stepping up enforcement action against unfair financial practice, demonstrating a strong commitment to local consumer protection. Consumer watchdogs, the role of GVPB and FTC in 2025. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, GFPB, and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, serve as vital watchdogs, diligently fighting against unfair, deceptive, and abusive practice to maintain fair and competitive market for all consumers, protecting the independence and ensuring adequate funding for these agencies is paramount, especially amid this ongoing political pressure that seek to undermine their regulatory authority. The FTC recently searched 16 million settlement from Instacart due to detective grocery delivery tactic, demonstrating a firm stand against misleading business practices. A top priority is restoring the FTC full power and ensure wrongdoers compensate their victim, reinforcing accountability and consumer trust. State regulators filling the enforcement gap. In 2025, state regulators have become increasingly critical in accounting for a significant 17 all for consumer protection and enforcement action and imposing 1.8 billion penalty. New York aggressive stance. The New York Department of Financial Services is proactively targeting junks, fees, and structuring by now pay later provided to safeguard consumers from predatory lending. Pennsylvania expanded reach. Pennsylvania has launched a centralized consumer protection hotline and expanded its enforcement of the Dodd-Frank Act, making it easier for residents to report and resolve issues. Michigan Fraud Flag. Michigan is doubling down on efforts to combat fraudulent business practices and enhance protection for its residents, ensuring a safer marketplace. Consumer privacy, expanding protection across states. The landscape of consumer privacy saw rapid evolution in 2025, with over 38 states enacting more than 100 new privacy laws. These laws represent a concerted effort to forfeit individual data rights. New regulation comprehensively address various facets of data handling, including data collection practice, trained protection for children, online privacy, the lending of genetic data, and the activity of commercial data brokers. Colorado now protects the privacy of low-income assistance applicants, ensuring sensitive information remains secure. Connecticut has also implemented strict restrictions on sale of personal data used for target advertising, giving consumers greater control. A burgeoning area of focus preventing bias within AI-driven financial product and service, aiming to ensure equitable access and treatment in an increasingly algorithm-dependent world. Access to justice and equity in consumer protection. One, combating forced arbitration, fighting against forced arbitration clauses and class action bans, which often prevent consumers from seeking justice through the courts. Second, bankruptcy reform, advocating for critical bankruptcy reforms to provide working families with a genuine fresh start, allowing them to rebuild without losing their home essential tax credit. Third, fair housing and lending, defining and strengthening fair housing and lending laws to actively combat discriminatory financial practices that disproportionately affect vulnerable and communities. 4. Racial equity access, ensuring comprehensive language access and robust data collection to effectively enforce racial equity across all consumer markets, promoting inclusivity and fairness. Regulation, the road of Head for Consumer Protection. A year of transformation, 2025 is poised to be transformative year for consumer protection. Market-based stranger state rules, dynamic federal regulator evaluation, and vital new privacy safeguard that redefine consumer right. Informed consumer. It is imperative for consumers to remain vigilant, informed, and empowered to skillfully navigate the increasing complex landscape of available protection and advocate for their rights. Collectively gains at upholding fairness, safety, and justice in the marketplace requires collective vigilance and sustained advocacy for all stakeholders, consumer, regulator, and industry alike, a protect marketplace. Together, we can build a marketplace that not only addresses to regulatory standard, but also genuinely protect, respect, and serve the best interests of every American consumer.